Okay ji, today we are going to solve the paper, and we are going to solve the question from logic gates chapter number 3. And in this class we are going to pick up the paper 9618 and variant 12. It's May June 2021, and students, you must know about the time, which is 1 hour and 30 minutes. All right, so firstly we will pick up the very easiest questions, and obviously it is easy. You have practiced the topic as well. My concern is just to solve the paper with you and just let you explain each and everything, that how is supposed to solve the paper if you are going to miss or misunderstand the question as well. Here you can see the expression is given a and b and c, b XOR c. There are basically two expressions are given within a break, in brackets. There are two brackets are given and two expressions are given. If you have a book, you read the topic as well, and you know about the gate as well. The shape for the AND gate is like this, and the shape for the OR gate is you have to make a curve arrows, and the same thing is this for NAND gate. You are supposed to add the NOT as well. So to prepare this question, to attempt this question, is very important to you to memorize the shapes as well. So here you can see A and B and C. So we will for this right now, I'm just going to discard, or you can say remove this type of letters. I will make it for my own. Here you can see I am just going to pick up two inputs, which is two inputs, which are A and B. As we know that at one time one gate take just two inputs and it will produce a one output. So the third input is given, which is C. So we will add a third input with this output of previous two inputs. All right, so it is A and B. Now the thing is which is B XOR C. It means we are going to pick up, sorry for this, it's C. Let me correct it again. It is C, sorry. All right, so the third is C. Now C is added over there, and it is also producing an output. It's done. Now our next expression is B XOR C. We will draw the input from this one letter over there, and again C. So we will drag an input from this one over there, and the gate basically is using between these two inputs is XOR. As I told you, to solve these questions, it is very important to memorize all the gates as well, because if the correct shapes are going to be used, definitely will get the marks. Now you can see A and B, A and C. Here A and B, and I used one gate and produced an output, and I added another third input, which was C, and I joined the output of the previous two inputs with the AND gate as well. Now I am going to add another expression, which is B XOR C. So I take another input, which is B, I drag it over the input, which is C, I join it over there with the XOR, and then it is going to be joined with an OR. All right, so here I am going to join it with the third gate, that was OR gate. All right, so this is a final gate. All right, so if you are going to attempt the question like this, obviously you will get 4 marks. Now moving to the next, we have another question, another part as well, which is that A and B and C and B XOR C. You have to make a truth table of all these expressions. So the first thing is this, that the three inputs are given, A and B and C. And as we know that in A and B and C, the output is true if all the inputs are true. If either one is false, it will be false, or you can say the output is 1 if all the inputs are 1. So here you can see 0 0 1, it means it is also 0 0 1 0, it is also 0. 0 1 1, it is also 0, 1 double 0, it is also 0, it is also 0, it is also 0, and it is just 1. Now we have to solve another expression, which is b XOR c. All right, b XOR c, it means that we are going to pick up these two inputs. All right, so in b XOR c, as we know that in b XOR c, if both inputs are, just wait a minute, let me tell you. Okay, just a minute. So 110 and 108. All right, here is XOR gate, and in this gate we will go further. If both inputs are not same, the result will be 1. But if the both inputs are the same, the result will be 0. So here you can see both inputs are same, the result is 0. Both inputs are not same, the result is 1. Both inputs are not same, the result is 1. Both inputs are same, the result is 0. 0 0, it means it is also 0. 0 1, it will be 1, it will be 1, and it will also be 1. We have solved these two expressions. Now we are going to solve these two expressions. Let me change the pointer. All right, now we are going to solve these two expressions with the help of OR gate. You can give the name to these inputs as outputs as well. It is x and it is y. So as 0 0, that means it is 0. 0 1 means it is 1. It is 1. It is 0. It is 0. It is 1. It is also 1, and it is also 1. Because we know that in OR gate your output is 1 if either of input is 1. If both inputs are zeros, the result will be 0. Hope so you get that. If there is any issue regarding this kind of question, you can comment. I'll definitely answer you, and just stay in touch with this channel. I am going to solve every kind of question, either it is from P1, P2, P3 or P4. We are going to pick up every type of question from every component as well, and that will definitely help out to you appear in the October normal exam. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe the channel as well, and don't forget to comment as well.